Learning figure drawing can feel difficult at first. The body has so many shapes, proportions, and movements that it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But remember, you don't need to draw a perfect figure today. You just need to practice. Every line you draw is teaching your eyes to see better and your hand to move with more confidence. So today, forget about perfection. Focus on progress.
I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you.
Let's start with the gesture. Before worrying about muscles, clothing, or details, look at the movement of the body. Find the line of action and let your drawing flow with the pose. Keep your lines simple and loose. If the pose looks wrong, don't erase it immediately. Ask yourself, where is the weight? Which direction is the body moving? Where are the shoulders and hips? Every mistake is information. The more poses you practice, the faster your brain learns to understand the human figure.
Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow.
Now let's build the figure using simple shapes. Think of the head, chest, pelvis, arms, and legs as basic forms. You don't need to know every muscle to create a convincing figure. Start simple. A circle, a box, a cylinder, these basic shapes can become an entire human body. Don't compare your drawing to professional artwork. Compare it to your drawing from yesterday. That is where real improvement happens.
I didn't know when I found you that I would find a love so true. And you can
Now repeat the process with another pose. Your first drawing might feel uncomfortable. Your second might look a little better. And after 10, 20, or 50 drawings, you'll start noticing something different. Your hand becomes faster. Your proportions become more natural. Your eye starts recognizing mistakes before you even finish the drawing. That's the power of practice.
always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow. But I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow. But I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours.
Different poses. One day you'll look back at your old sketches and realize how far you've come. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Keep drawing. Keep learning. Keep creating. Your next drawing could be the one that takes you one step closer to your style. Practice today. Improve tomorrow. Never stop creating.